Hello everyone. This is just a video introducing Profrops, which is a website that you can create an assessment on to test your students for the purpose of the EdTPA. So what I'm going to be showing you today is my link to Profrops for my number bond assessment. So I'm going to go up over here on EdTPA page. Nope, not EdTPA. Sorry about that. On Fun Stuff. And then scroll down to where it says number bond quiz. This is a link that's directing me to my ProProf quiz. So this is just an example of how to access the quiz so your students can use after you have given your assessment. So this is my actual quiz over here, where I have my questions. They're a total of 5 questions, and each question is related. It's a post-assessment. It's related to number bonds. So for example, the first question is, which of the following are true statements? So I'm giving a set of multiple choice, a set of A, B, C, or D, and then they can choose the right answer to the question. As you can see, it's all about number bonds. So which of the following pairs of the numbers are number bonds for number 42? 5 and 2 is, which of the following pairs of numbers are number bonds for number 33? Which of the following numbers make 8? So this is just showing you a quick way of how you can make an assessment for the purpose of the EdTPA, and it can be very resourceful and powerful. Thank you, Dr. Stein, for showing us this technique. Thank you.